Hi, this is Stacy Barnes, and this is a video recording to help you out when you have an English 4A credit recovery course and you are trying to add folders with links for each of the project parts. It's to be used in conjunction with the K-12 training document, adding folders. So there's details on this document right here. And what I have here is all of the links for each of the projects, and I'm really trying to simplify your life so you can simply copy and paste this into a folder into your course. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I'm going to walk you through the steps. I'm going to add all three folders so you can see the process. So I'm going to go into my 4ACR course, open up Order in Chaos, which is where the first project is, the PO project. And as you can see, there's the submission link. But again, because it's adaptive release, students might miss the other parts because they passed a quiz the first time, thus enabling them to skip a section. So first, we're going to go to Build Content. I'm going to add a content folder. We're going to call it PO Project Links. And then here you can write a little description. Let's say links. Alright, use the links in this folder to access all four parts of the PO project. That is it. I'm going to submit it. It'll throw it all the way at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and just move it right now. You can move it even higher, but this is always going to show up since it's not part of the adaptive release, so it doesn't really matter where you put it. I just like to put it above the assignment submission link. So let's go ahead and open up this folder, and we are going to add an item. And let's go ahead and go to our document. Let's give it a name. Perfect. Blackboard's so smart. I want to make sure that I go to my little HTML editor. I'm going to go to my document. I'm going to copy the entire HTML code here. I'm going to paste it, update, and voila, here it is. Let's submit it. And I always like to test my links. So here's part 1. Here's part 2. Part 3. And part 4. Easy peasy. So let's go ahead and do that for the next project, the War and Peace unit. Again, I'm going to add a content folder. Give it a little title. Type a little description. And submit. We're going to move it where we want to. Open it up. I'm going to build content by creating an item. Give it the name. Go to my HTML editor. I'm going to go ahead and copy my HTML code for all the links. Update it. Submit. And voila. There's part 1, part 2, part 3, and this one was broken before, but excellent. We are now updated part 4. So let's go ahead and do the very last project. In the Wealth and Poverty unit, again, add a folder. Give your folder a name. Give it a little description. Submit this. Let's go ahead and move it where we want to again. Open it up. Create an item. Bring that title back up. Open up your HTML editor. And finally copy the code for the final project. Paste it in there, update it, submit, And let us double check one more time. Perfect. Part 2, Part 3, and Part 4. All right, that's it. So hopefully this video will help you simplify the process and the codes. Simply copy and paste. As you can see, we have done this in a little over 5 minutes. So hopefully this helps you add those folders into your course. And remember, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email and I'll get back to you right away. Thanks.